Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technacharya. So today I will show you some of the best tips that will make your PC or laptop's performance more better. Okay, if you follow my each and every given step, you will notice that your PC's performance has been increased. The speed has increased comparatively. Just follow each and every steps. So let's start the video. First step is by clearing all the temporary files. Just press Windows plus R key, then type prefetch. Then in this folder, select one file, then press Ctrl plus A, then press Shift Delete. See, Shift Deletes clear your files permanently. It does not send the recycle bin. Okay, so you should do Shift Delete. Then skip these files. Now after then, again press Windows R, then type temp, then also clear these files. After that, Shift Delete. Again press Windows R, then type %temp%. And these are the files, temporary files, junk file, please clean them. Control A, Shift Delete. Clean all the files. Now, the next step is to go on his PC. Right click on the C drive properties and disk cleanup. Here select the options, all the options, and then click on the clean system files. This process takes a minute or two. Okay, then click here OK. I will recommend you that you should do these steps in 2 days whenever you open your laptop or when you do some hardcore work like downloading or uninstalling some games. So do these steps. Now close this tab. Now right click on this PC, then click on the properties, then advanced system settings, then here on the performance settings, go and click on the best performance mode. So it will close all the animations, okay, and this improves your PC's or laptop's performance. This is a very important step, please do follow. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Now, again the performance settings, go in the virtual memory and then change your virtual memory path from C drive to D or E. Then click here OK. Then close. Then right click on the taskbar. Then disable all the startup programs. Okay. Disable everything. Just keep your antivirus on enabled. Don't disable it. Rest disable everything. Now right click on the this PC, then go in the properties again, then advanced system settings, then system protection, then off system protection mode. Okay, system protection mode makes your duplicate files on your PC if by chance your PC gets data gets clear. So it saves one of the file. Okay, so just off it. Now again go in the advanced system settings. Now here startup and recovery option is there. Click on the settings. Then you can choose the booting time of your laptop or PC. So you can choose from 3 seconds to 30 seconds. But even if you press the 3 second means keep 3 seconds, it takes some time. Now go in settings, then in the system, then click on the storage, and here in the change where new content is saved, change the path of the new downloaded apps from the Microsoft Store. Your new downloaded apps from the Microsoft Store will be saved in the new volume E. Please try that your C volume should be cleared. It should be empty. The volume C improves the PC's performance. The C drive only makes the PCs run more faster. So make sure that C drive is empty, means you do not fill it up. Now go in the system animation. I'm showing you that the animations are off. You should do this. Okay. Now right click on the battery, power options, and choose your recommended plan. Okay. I prefer you to keep on the better battery. It will be in the balance mode. Okay. Now search for check for updates. Now close the updates option. Okay, means you can go and manually check the updates. If you have turned this on, so it runs in the background and lowers the PC's performance. Okay, so I prefer you to close the option check for updates. You can go and update your PC manually. Now see your recycle bin is empty. Just right click on that and clear the recycle bin. And in the power and sleep mode, go in the advanced settings, then change power options and then system settings. Then uncheck this turn on fast startup. Okay, you have to follow just these steps. It will make your PC run faster. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.